Greetings! Want to trade on any chart and earn some cash? Spend a few minutes with me and I'll share a quick money-making trading technique using two simple rules and two indicators. First, head over to the TradingView website and pick any chart you like. Then add the trendline sights indicator to your chart. But wait, there's more. We need one more indicator to complete our strategy, but before that, let's optimize our trendline sights indicator. The trendline sights indicator is excellent for identifying trendline breakouts. Using it alone may not yield the highest profits. That's why we'll introduce a second indicator to complement our strategy. But before that, let me share an amazing tool I found for backtesting strategies efficiently. It's called TradeRedge, and it's available through the link in the video description below. TradeRedge makes backtesting faster and more convenient. Once the backtest is complete, all the crucial data is calculated and presented to you, including win rate, P&L, profit factor, consecutive wins and losses, max drawdown, and more. And you can even save your backtest results. Give a TradeRedge a try and see how it can enhance your trading strategy. Alright, let's dive back into our strategy. For our second indicator, we'll be using the swing arm ATR trend indicator. This handy tool aids us in trading in line with the market trend. Once you've added the swing arm ATR trend indicator, head over to its settings and adjust them as I do. Now, if the price candles form above the green lines of the swing arm ATR trend indicator, it signifies a strong upward trend. Conversely, if price candles form below the red lines of the indicator, it indicates a strong downward trend. So, let's examine the rules for entering a trade together. But remember, after this, we'll backtest the strategy using TradeRedge and I'll announce the data to you. If you want to enter a long trade, two conditions must be met. First, a bullish breakout signal must be issued with the breaking of the trend line. Next, we need to ensure that the trend is upward and we're trading in the direction of the trend. For this, we need to check out the swing arm ATR trend indicator. So, with these conditions met, we can now proceed to open a long position. But don't forget to set a stop loss for the trade. You can use the swing arm ATR trend indicator or the recent swing low depending on the market conditions for this purpose. Lastly, set the trade target to be 1.5 times the risk. And for initiating a short trade, we need to satisfy a couple of prerequisites. Initially, we should observe a bearish breakout signal, which is triggered by the breakout of the trend line. Subsequently, we need to confirm that the market trend is downward and that our trade aligns with this trend. To do this, we'll refer to the swing arm ATR trend indicator. Once both these criteria are fulfilled, we're ready to open a short position. Remember, it's crucial to establish a stop loss for your trade. Depending on the market situation, you can set this using the swing arm ATR trend indicator or the recent swing high. And finally, aim for a trade target that's 1.5 times your risk. Alright, let's take a moment to backtest our strategy and see how it performs. I'm thrilled to share that after conducting 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart and the 5-minute time frame, we've got some impressive results. The win rate of the strategy was 64%, and over the course of this backtest, the profit from these 100 trades was 220%. The profit factor of the strategy was 2.65, and during the backtest, we had 8 consecutive wins and 4 consecutive losses. Lastly, I should mention that the maximum drawdown of the strategy was 7.76%. So overall, the strategy's performance in the backtest was quite noteworthy. However, if you're curious to know the secret to profit in every trade, you must definitely watch this recommended video in its entirety.